Hello, welcome back to Part 2 of the Secret Step in Business Investment. Are you ready to know what are the frequently asked questions by investors? What are the advantages and disadvantages of the investment I'm considering? How much money could I potentially lose if my investment goes bad? If you have more than enough to invest and just want things to be fast, this is what you can ask your attorney. This can also help you identify the quality of the attorney you're engaging with. Is he or she really the one for you? Is he or she on your side or on the businessman's side? Know the potential risk or failure is also an opportunity for you to make a wise choice and a rational decision. The company that you perceive to be profitable turns out to be less valuable than what you think. Does that say something about you? I hope the questions I've talked about give you a sense of direction to help you when you're investing. In the next module, we'll be talking about killer tips to any successful investment.